Hey, how did you find today's lecture? I thought it was pretty interesting.
I agree, the professor explained the concepts really well. I finally understand that topic we were struggling with last week.
Definitely. I'm glad it's making sense now. By the way, did you start working on the assignment that's due next week?
Yes, I've started researching for it. I found some useful articles in the library. How about you?
I haven't started yet, but I plan to work on it this weekend. Maybe we could meet up at the library and work on it together?
That sounds like a great idea. I find it easier to focus when studying with someone. Count me in.
Perfect. We can grab some coffee at the campus cafe before we start. It'll be a productive study session.
Sounds good. By the way, have you heard about the upcoming guest lecture in the auditorium? I heard it's on a really interesting topic.
Oh, I haven't heard about it yet. Thanks for letting me know. We should definitely attend. It might give us more insights for our assignments.
Absolutely. Let's make sure to mark our calendars. I think it's next Wednesday afternoon.
Got it. We can meet up before the lecture and go together. It'll be a great learning experience.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, I should head to my next class now. See you later.
See you. Good luck in your class.
Okay, let's find out how well you understand what's being said. Try to answer the questions in this conversation. Just 4 questions. Let's start. Question 1. What did student 1 find interesting about today's lecture? Options are A. The professor's voice, B. The concepts explained by the professor, C. The classroom decorations, D. The weather outside. Answer is B. The concepts explained by the professor. How does student 2 prefer to study for the assignment? Options are A. Alone, B. With a group of friends, C. By listening to music, D. With student 1 at the library. Answer is D. With student 1 at the library. What do student 1 and student 2 plan to do before the guest lecture? Options are A. Watch a movie, B. Grab coffee and study at the library, C. Go shopping, D. Play video games. Answer is B. Grab coffee and study at the library. When is the guest lecture scheduled to take place? Options are A. Next Monday morning, B. Next Wednesday afternoon, C. Next Friday evening, D. Next Saturday afternoon. Answer is B. Next Wednesday afternoon. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment your score. Thanks for your practice and learning together.